Hello viewers, Happy New Year to all and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting all my notifications. Today we are cooking 2 ducks which is about 11 pounds. First Arif is cutting ducks into medium size. You can see the size here. We did separate some fatty skin and now he is frying them to make some oil. This oil will increase the taste a lot. He is adding 2 sliced onion and will fry for 5 minutes. Now adding 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Mix them well. Now he is adding 4 to 6 cardamom, 8 to 6 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin, some cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of red chili powder. I like to travel a lot and at the same time my husband likes to cook. He cooks the most amazing foods. Now he is adding 1 tablespoon of coriander and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. He is adding bit more oil as it looks little dry. Adding water and we'll cook this for 10 minutes in a slow flame. If you were living in the Western countries, you might only seen roasted duck. Trust me, this recipe is easy and the taste of duck would be mouth-watering. Now adding the duck meats into the spice and mixing them well. Adding salt as per taste. Covering the pan with lid and we'll cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, he is stirring the meat and we'll cook for another 40 minutes. He didn't add any water. It's all from the meat and this should be enough to cook it. After 40 minutes, now he is adding some green chili and will cook for another 15 minutes. It's all done and cook the spicy duck curry. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye bye and Happy New Year.